today I got my fishing shirt on because we're gonna go get some seafood. This is what I guess you call a hole-in-the-wall restaurant. Probably for most of you guys in Corpus Christi, it's far from where you live because it's near downtown, near like the courthouse. You know, I guess a hole in the wall. You know, it's I think only takeout in that a little building right on Staples that I think has changed names several times. Used to be barbecue, but now I saw on Facebook it had pictures of its food. Hopefully those pictures are real because it looked delicious. Good shrimp and fish, and I think on Fridays they have like New Orleans gumbo type stuff, and it looked delicious. In a few minutes you'll see our food and we'll tell you if it's thumbs up or thumbs down. Here, this is where we're going in. So I ordered 4 shrimp, 4 fish. He said you'll have it right out to you, boss. And so we're waiting for it here in the car. I think you can also order it online or call in. It says free delivery too.
Free delivery.
Yeah. Yes. And so if we like it, we'll deliver. We don't live too far from here. Yeah, we'll give it a try. Okay. Next time, you'll see the food. So we're back home. We have the food from the restaurant. 361-413-3644. I've ordered the 4 and 4. I got the onion rings instead of the french fries because I'm going to try those. It's 4 fish, 4 shrimp.
Fish and fish.
Tartar sauce, a roll, onion rings, a lot of ketchup. And now we're going to try it.
Yeah, we try.
Let's see.
Mama.
Hey, Mom. Fish. A little tartar sauce here. Good amount of fish on it. It's not overly fried, you know, some of the frying batter I don't like because it's too thick.
Yeah.
But there's a good amount of fish in there, not just in the batter.
Shrimp? Big shrimp.
Big shrimp. Yeah, nice big shrimp. I like the shrimp.
And onion.
And the onion rings.
Big. It's good too.
Yeah, so if you're looking for fried seafood, shrimp and fish mainly, and they're I think they also sometimes have chicken something, but they did not have it today, he said. Drinks are only $1. Seems like a good deal. All this for $9.99 today. So I like my first experience at this one at the Red Boat Seafood. Red Boat Seafood on Staples, almost to Leopard. Thanks for watching.